What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are applying Ohm's law. You can see right here, I've already done a few. Intro to Ohm's law, how it works and stuff. Ohm's law, I might have to go over it though, I don't remember. I remember it was V, I, and C. No, there was no C, it was I. V, I, and... yeah, I'm gonna have to look over it. Okay, so right here we have, let's see, take a look at the circuit. We're playing the multimeter. I don't have a multimeter. Not even like that in a small form. I think my dad has a multimeter, but it's one of those that it's not for a breadboard. You know, it's not like that one. It's one of those that you have to. Actually, I think I do have a multimeter. I do have a multimeter, but again, it's one of those with the pin. It's not a breadboard multimeter. Okay, so moving forward, the multimeter, yeah, pretty much just shows how much current is flowing through the resistor. Isn't there some multimeters where they have adjustable resistance? This one looks like it just measures it. I believe there's, or not a multimeter, but there's like a custom resistor. Is there? Where you just connect, like instead of having, well, let's say this was connected here, or whatever. Like let's just say this was in here, and you just connect the device right here, and you have a custom. Because obviously this right here you can interchange it, right? You can interchange it, but in real life this is like a one solid piece. Anyways. Yeah, so it checks resistance, current, voltage. Let's actually simulate it. So that's a lot, right? Also, let's try something out. Volts, resistance, error, volts, mode voltage, amperage. What is it? Resistance. Maybe I have to, if I want to test resistance, maybe I have to put them here. Anyways, let's stop it right there. Let's actually change it back to, maybe I have to wait. Alright. See how the measurement on the multimeter changes as you increase. Oh, okay. And when measuring amperage in your circuit's values, it will be in amps. Values will be in milliamp. 1 milliamp is milli, small like millimeter. It's that pretty much. Simulate the circuit. Make sure the multimeter tool is in current mode by clicking the A. Alright, this is where I need to, let's say simulate. Let's move it over to A. By clicking on the A, or amps, while the simulation is running, change the value of the resistor by highlighting it. Okay. So now it's at 100 ohms. Highlighting and using the drop down menu. So we're going to go from 100 ohms to 100 kilos. So there's almost nothing going through. Now it's like really dim. We could probably go to 100 kilos. What's after? Damn, what's after kilos? This M is for milli. This M though? This is giga? I'm not sure. 0. Absolutely everything just stops here. The only way would be if I increased my voltage. Let's go back to, how does the brightness of the LED change? Yeah, so it gets dimmer the more resistance. Less light, less voltage, right? Less voltage. Okay. How does the current change with resistance? How low of a resistance value can you set before the LED burns out? Let's see. At this point, the multimeter will tell you the maximum current that the LED can handle. Alright, let's see what's the lowest it can go to. So it's at 100, it's good. Let's try 75. Still good. Let's try 50. No, I'm doing it at the end. Cause if I just remove everything, it's just gonna go straight to break. Obviously. We're trying to find the limits though. Let's do 25. 25 is still gonna work? I think so. It's just gonna be very bright. Yeah, see, it's getting brighter. Alright, now let's do 15. Is this still gonna work? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so it doesn't work at 15. So what's the limit? Is it like 20? 20 still works. They're very bright. Very, very bright. Let's do 18. Or 19. 18. 18. 18 is the limit. So that's the limit right there. 1, 2, 3. So even if I do 1, oh, it's not. Oh, okay, just keep going. It still passes through. Apparently it passes through. Okay, so apparently, yeah, it keeps passing through. Let's just remove it completely. Let's see if it's still. 483, that's the max. 483 is the max it could take. That'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.